My name is Aaron Ecker, and I'm here today to talk to you about the design of my infographic. The topic of this infographic is coral bleaching of the Great Barrier Reef, and I'm going to start off by talking about the format. As you can see, I separated it into three different categories: my introduction, my most important piece of information, and my final piece of information. A large part of formatting is not using too much text. Right here, you can see that I use quite a bit of text to define coral bleaching, but everywhere else I use text very sparingly, and it's not too cluttered. Next, I want to direct your attention to the focal point. The focal point is where you want your audience's attention to get drawn to. I chose this as my focal point because it's my most important piece of information that I have. I made it my focal point by putting it in the center of my infographic and giving it a different background than the rest of the infographic. And having a black background where the rest is blue makes it stand out. Along with it being the focal point, I also used the rule of threes to make it a little bit easier to digest, separating each diagram into its own grid. Now let's talk about the colors. According to color harmony, you shouldn't use any more than three colors. I chose to just use two colors in my infographic, blue and green. In this diagram, you can see that I used analogous colors. Instead of using three different colors, I just used three different shades of green. I chose green because it represents the environment. The environment is basically what my whole infographic is about, the environment of the Great Barrier Reef. I chose blue because it conveys a very serious tone, and this is a very serious topic. Well, now I hope you understand why I chose the design that I did, and thank you for listening.